Hi everyone, this is Top 3D Shop, and in this video, we will tell you about the new generation of the Modix BIG-120Z large-scale FDM 3D printers. The 120Z numerical designation refers to the size of the build area in centimeters along the Z-axis. Capable of printing with a minimum layer height of 40 microns, the machine is designed to process ABS, PLA, HIPS, PVA, PETG, and flexible filaments. The new generation of BIG-120Z can be equipped with the IDEX system, which stands for Independent Dual Extruder. The optional kit includes a second Griffin printhead and all the necessary accessories. So, the fourth generation of Modix 3D printers features more reliable, faster, and practical Griffin printheads, which include customized Bondtech extruders and Super Volcano hotends produced by the British company E3D. Other important upgrades include a 32-bit second-generation Duet 3D controller board and the DuX5 expansion board responsible for automating the calibration process, as well as the filament feed sensor. NEMA 17 stepper motors have been replaced by the more powerful NEMA 23. The kinematics of the new iteration employs high-wind guides and belts manufactured by the US-based Gates Corporation. The printer is controlled with a 7-inch touchscreen while the files are transferred for printing via USB, SD card, or a wireless connection. The fourth generation of Modix devices has received an updated design and improved hardware. All units are shipped unassembled with detailed assembly instructions available to users online. This is Top 3D Shop with the fourth generation of Modix BIG-120Z 3D printers overview. Subscribe to our channel, leave your comments below, and hit the like button if you've enjoyed the video. See you soon.